Are we live? Yeah, yeah. Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Here, let me get rid of. Ooh, oh yeah. There we go. All right, so it is the last trading day of the month. It's the last day of the month. So be on the lookout for. Ooh, where'd that come from? Yeah, be on the lookout for any tricks. They will try to trick us. Do wanna let it be known. I don't know what time frame, but I can see we are opening the day out in a supply zone. So this is a good area to sell from. Yeah, this right here is a supply zone. So yeah, just be aware. Hey, teach me to fish. Good morning, family. I've been seeing your comments this week. Look like you've been doing some learning this week, family. Um, let's see. Lavenderella, top of the morning, top of the morning. All right, let's see. Maisie Mayo, good morning, good morning. How y'all feeling? Feeling all right. Mahishu, hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? All right, so yeah, we are moving up on the dollar. Let me check in on. Okay, so we got data a little bit. We get some more data 30 minutes in. So priority today is going to be the 100 to 1K account. So gotta remember. Got I gotta remember. Let me get that account ready. Make sure I'm in the right account. That way, when it's time to go, it's none of that. Oh, wrong account. I always look forward to trading this account. Except for like the weeks that I start with 100. I'm like, oh, how we gonna get out of this? But all good. Let's see. Trying to get there. Hey, I see you. You're gonna get there, family. You're gonna get there. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Like even if it's fine if you gotta slow down, but don't stop. Let's see. All right, hey, good to hear, Maisie. Letty, good morning. Monica, feeling like we need to make money. Hey, I wanna get us out of that feeling. I want us to feel like we're in a place of abundance. And then it's like, oh, this is like we're coming here for purposes of consistency. Because I notice whenever I feel like I need to make money, that's when I lose money. So I was like, yo, we want to get this money, but also we don't want it to be a need. Even though in this world, actually, you don't need money. You don't need money. Um, Money makes things a lot easier, but you can still get the things without money. And I'm not saying I'm one of those people who do the thing without money, because I'm gonna be real that I know that would make like a lot a lot more difficult. But I also realize we don't necessarily need it. We can still get by without it. Patrick, good morning. Corey, good morning. Stacy, good morning. Happy Friday, y'all. Once again, last day of July. They could try to play some tricks on us in the market, and yeah, I want y'all to enjoy the day. To those of y'all that are parents, got kids in school, anything like that, yo, it's about time to get back to that this upcoming month. I heard some people may have already started, which is kind of crazy, kind of early in me, but hey, let's see. Let's say good morning, Stacy. Good morning, Cody. Top of the morning. Hey, I think your buddy Cody. I think your buddy was looking out. Oh, I guess. Hey, was it Corey that told you? Hey, that's hey. Love to see some connections happening. Sunshine with Jose. Is it Josie? Yo, welcome, welcome. Now let's get this bread. All right, M cents. No, I consider in paper trading the whole month of August and just stack my cap. All right, let's wait, paper trading the whole month? Oh, you're considering. Sometimes I always have to like read like kind of like read. But starts next week in Arizona. That's I think it starts the week after here where I'm at. But yeah, don't have any kids quite yet. Also, just a heads up, I think this upcoming like Wednesday, yeah, I'm gonna be traveling next week. Next week, this might look different. Like I'm going to try to do this, but I'm going to be in. I'm not sure if I'm going to be in Utah or Wyoming next week. So depending on where I am, what my day looks like, I would say to like have channel notifications turned on because this might look a little different, or like go to Freedom Charge Lounge if there is like a date change, or if we just hold off a week, I might, yeah, I'll update y'all there, but this could look different. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Henry, good morning. ATL Big Dog, top of the morning. Hey, M sense, I know you're with the voice to check. Oh, said like Jaws. Okay. Jaws, okay. Alright. That's cool. Alright, let's see how we're looking. Hey, 49 people on, 26 likes. Hey, shout out to the 26 people that came through and decided to smash the like button. Or 27. And then to the rest of you, hey, if you can't see me in this box, I'm just shrugging my shoulders, but hey, it is what it is. All right, let's see. Malik, top of the morning, I'll be starting next week as well. Hey, D Scurv, top of the morning. Said upside taco in full effect, bro. Yeah. Bro, I wish I held on to the. Actually, let me check in on. I'm curious how Nvidia is doing. Okay, it didn't just take off. Let me get it. But I wish I held on to those AMDs I had. I might in my other account. I might still get like a. I don't know if we pull back at all on AMD, I might get like a trade to swing, or maybe one just to ride today, but it like a pricey contract that'll go through earnings. But that's not for this, not for the 100 to 1K. It'd be for a different one. Selma, good morning. Hey, just for a record, we open up in 5 minutes. Let's see. Or market opens in 5 minutes. I appreciate y'all coming through with the likes. Appreciate you, Jay Wells. Should have gotten in on SoFi yesterday. Hey, for real, it got just below it. And tell me why this morning I was just thinking about like, oh, I mean, I might need to sell some calls on SoFi or something. That's something I'm not sell calls, sell puts. Just do one, get some time. It's like I feel like it wouldn't hurt too bad. Let's see. But this is still like the top of a previous range. Like you can see it over here. So like while we may have got the taco, I still think we're in a downtrend right now. Let me see. Yeah, the trend is still down. Like we definitely need to like reclaim 747 before it's like, oh yeah, we might be moving back up. But that range we created to the downside, we are above that, but this is still like these candles that we got above this are bearish still. So it it's almost like we're confirmed, but we're not. So don't think we're safe to the upside just because we get a little taco and some positive earnings. I still lean towards us right now coming down, but trend on the day, I'm gonna trade with the trend on the day for now. Trend is up on the 2 minute. Let's see the 15. It's still up on the 15. We got the range. I would love to see us come retest the low, and then as of right now, I'd look towards upside, but definitely go small. Here, let's see where was I at? Tech Override. Good morning. Appreciate you, Henry. Alex. Good morning. Anthony. Good morning. VN 8012. Good morning. Mobile Home Investors 6226. Let's see a SPY. Hey, let's see. I feel like it's gonna have a hard time at that pre-market high, but yeah, if we can get it to one of the either the high or low, I think hey we can get the move we need. Opening up in 3 minutes. Let's see. Miss last week. We're on a vacation. I got one myself next week. So once again, if you're there's not like too much that goes on in the Freedom Charge Lounge, like message wise, but it'd be good to get in like just to see like what's gonna happen next week. Cause if you have channel notifications, you'll see when I'm live. But if you want to know like what the situation is going to be, recommend doing that. Tim, good morning. Letty not trading today, busy at work. Hey, I'm glad you made that decision now. That's smart. But appreciate you dropping by or even listening in. Gals, good morning. Looking for a pullback on the SPY today. Honestly, that's where I lean too. I feel like I still feel like we can move up, touch the high. I feel like we can come down before that. Kind of just anything could happen. All right, so we're about to open up in about about a minute. Most Arizona and Phoenix already. Oh yeah, okay. Down behind a little bit. Hit the like button, family. Yes, please, family. Appreciate y'all. Said Tiandre, good morning. Tony, good morning. Eagle One Power at top of the morning. Welcome. Have to bounce out at 9:45 for a minute. I appreciate you. And happy to have you, family. All right, so we got a few seconds. See what we do here. All right, so got my Hike and Ashy candles right here. Got the regular candles here. I'm focused on the SPY. The account is starting at $193 today. So that is kind of the balance I'm dealing with. I'm gonna drop Amazon down. SPY is going for upside. Or actually, it's kind of like right in the middle of this pre-market high and low. AMD already gunning for some upside. I really rather see us move down first. Let me also see what Apple's doing. Bring it down a little bit. I'm gonna slide that down because this pre-market low is actually lower. Ken, good morning. Hey, very welcome, Eagle One. Osama, good morning. All right. See, Amazon maintained that outperformed by Wedbush. All right, so the trend is up. Like naturally, I just want to do it, but we also have data in 29 minutes, so trying to play patience until something obvious occurs. Like I could see us pushing up. If we come up here at the high, like honestly, I will likely. Here, let me drop this down to if we come up here to the high, I'll likely try to go for a quick short. But apparently, it's National Avocado Day. Just for the record, should anybody care? But I think that's just in America. If you're in a different country, I do not think it's National Avocado Day. All right. Marcus, good morning. Trenton, good morning. Ahmed, good morning. Carla, good morning. Hold up. Okay, so we're pushing up. Leslie, good morning. Hey, good morning. I got weekly Zoom calls on Wednesday that are like small, intimate, and honestly, people are not asking too many questions. So I would say that is probably the best place to start if you like are looking for mentorship. Yeah, I would say it's a lot cheaper than a one-on-one. Here, let's see. Apple pushing down. All right, so we got SPY pushing up. Avocado. Bro, any of y'all get those? Oh wait, hold up. We're pushing up. Let me hold on. Let's see how we're doing here. So we're pushing up. Let me look at options contracts. I'm looking to go light because I'm not trying to blow the account, but I still think it would be worth something. So see if we can push and hit that pre-market high. Is that on the freedoms? So yeah, freedom charts, like the freedom charts premium, it's like just access. What it is access to the daily live streams, and then every Wednesday we have a Zoom call. But once again, like similar to how I don't fully know what's going on next week, I am traveling Wednesday. So I'm gonna be real, this upcoming week, probably not the best week. Like if you're trying to sign up, if I'm being real, there's a 5-day free trial, and it's like I will extend that. I just have no idea how to extend it. So like honestly, I would say if you're looking at that, I don't know, like maybe like shoot me a DM or something. I think I saw I could give like limited access. I was like looking around. I was like, yo, I can give like send a link and send like give limited access, and like if you actually let me know, I can have it extended to be like 5 days past when I'm supposed to get or be gone. All right, so we're still pushing up. I'm looking at a downside contract right now at this resistance level. All right, I'm looking. Honestly, the contract I'm looking at is holding even as the stock is going up. I'm looking at a put though. Here, let's see. Iron went crazy and it still is. I forgot what iron even does. Oh, yesterday. Okay, I thought you meant like okay. Yeah, I was about to say like when I saw this, I was like, bro, I think we have different definitions of went crazy or what went crazy is, but yeah, they got a good little move. All right, so we haven't quite come into that yet. Haven't quite come into it yet. Alex, got you. I'll check it out. Oh yeah. I'm gonna be real. It's gonna be easier. Like if you decide to message me on like Instagram or something, because a little messenger on WhatsApp, it's like I see those, but if I accidentally X out, it's hard for me to get back to them and give y'all information or tell y'all, oh, here come the landscapers again. But yeah, it's hard for me to get back to y'all on those WAP messages because but there are chats in a couple different locations, and like if I try to like type in and look for y'all, it doesn't bring me back to the same chat with y'all. It like tries to open another one. All right, so we got the dollar moving up. That's in support of us moving down. All right, so we kind of came into that. Hey, might have it's possible that we could like move and go down. I'm not gonna feel bad because we didn't come up and hit the extreme, and it's like I'm a little more protective of this account. Yeah, Trent said losing volume. Yeah, so I'm watching the momentum. I see it's going sideways. Like it's still trending up, so I'm not gonna try to like fight it or go against it, especially not with $193. All right, I see red on there, but the trend is still up, so I'm still not gonna try to go against it until it like hits like a what I deem to be a solid level of resistance or confirms the reversal. I'm gonna wait. What did I have down here? Before, I think it was Apple. All right, so Apple moving down. And take that to a 15. So we're pulling back. Oh, you know what? Hold up. That's one thing I forgot to do. Get in and look at the gamma exposure. That is one thing that kind of gets me to. Okay. Yeah, so right now, SPY is positive gamma, but we are also, yeah. If we slip, we can slip. That dollar is jumping back up. Still got data in what? About like 20 minutes. Okay, they're right here by my window now. All right, so we're pulling back. Y'all don't know how badly I wanted to get in that trade to the downside, but also I'm trying to be responsible with the amount I'm trading with. All right, so we're at the 200 EMA. That dollar is running up. I'm really trying to account for everything going on. But yeah, that contract I was looking at, oh my goodness. Yeah, that thing ran. Yo, we would have been done for the day. Yo, like wasted no time. All right, good thing here is though is we can actually set confirmation here in a moment too. So that's another way I could end up entering the trade and still respect my disciplines. Yeah, because we've fallen below the gamma flip. We're only like, we haven't even closed out the first 15 minutes. Yeah, we gotta let the market do its thing. once the account gets a little bigger, I'll go for stuff like that. Won't miss out on this stuff, but you said if we're looking at the same contract, it definitely. I was looking at the. I think I was looking at the 744, or maybe it was this. It was either a 744 or 743, and I saw it at like 93 cents. Actually, I think no, the 743 was like, I think it was like 70 or 83, and then like I think the 744 was like 93 or 95, something like that. Oh, yeah, you said you were looking at. Okay, yeah, yeah. That thing ran. Yeah, that thing's up over 100%. Not even gonna lie, it's a little annoying. They try to like, hey, rip out the gun with this. But it's okay. We got some stuff on the table today still. Hold up. Hold on, let me look out. See what August is looking like. Yeah, still might wait for this data real quick. We still got like 17 minutes till then. Cause this whole thing is one 15-minute candle. But I am like starting to count on us. The downside is looking increasingly better. Okay, so actually, now I'm starting to look at it. Hold on, let me. Bro, this thing was a lot cheaper, but okay, got a look. Oh, hold up, it's bouncing around. Oh yeah, it's bouncing around. So I just picked up a 740 put that expires today, and I paid 91 cents a share. So 740, and then it's on the SPY. 740 SPY put 0 DTE, and it was what, 0.91 per share. What is my tick set on for? Like, are you asked what do you mean by what is my tick? Like, are you talking about time frame? Each of these candles is 15 minutes. If that's what you're asking. I'm not really like too heavily focused on Amazon. This is something I potentially look to after whatever happens with this first trade happens, but can't trade SPY here in the UK. What like, are you trying to, you said miss so many good calls. Oh no. Are you on Robinhood? What are you trading on? Yeah, that's crazy that to me that they don't let y'all trade that. But I feel like we have other people that are in this chat that trade futures that are in the UK. All right, so we're moving down some more. Contracts up 28%. So yeah, just gonna, yeah, if we can establish a move, gonna ride the momentum. All right, so we're below the gamma flip. there is a wall of support at 742 at the moment. So this level we're currently trading at is a kind of like happy trading level. Okay, so you're on Robinhood. Ugh. I just out of curiosity, do they have futures on Robinhood out there? I don't trade futures myself, but I know Robinhood out here has futures. Oh, AMD pulling back. That's nice. That's something I want to see. If well, actually, I would like to see him pull back more, but we'll see. Trying to ride this. Apple hit 300 and is bouncing. That it did. That it did. Still got data in like 13 minutes. Let me. Was it consumer sentiment and inflation expectations? You said, yeah, we do have future. Okay. All right, so that's something. Do y'all have any American stocks? Like, what do y'all have? Like, Tesla, Apple, Amazon, any of those? Out of curiosity. All right, we got SPY moving down. SPY at 742.34, up 34%, with 193. No, I only got one contract. I got one contract. Yeah, I like, just in case this contract were to go wrong, I would want money left over to recover it. And then also, this is a cash account. So it's like, if my first trade is bad, then the money for that trade, like, I can't take another trade today in this account. Let's see how we're looking. All right, so we're about 742. Contracts up 47%. All right, so I think this is about where we closed yesterday. All right, well, actually, I guess we close. Yeah, we're almost to break even on the day. Almost lost all our gains. Right now, what I'm doing, I'm just looking at the Heikin-Ashi. I'm just trying to ride the Heikin-Ashi, but we're below pre-market support. See kind of what happens here. Okay, SPY at 742.43. I'm not sure if I said it, but we are below the, what is it? We're negative gamma right now. We're on the red side of the little gamma chart. Oh, that's kind of annoying. Non-so. That is annoying. Um, it's like, I can't really say, but it's like there are a lot of people who watch what I do, or just watch kind of like my technicals, and then they will just trade futures with it. Like, I don't know, like, if it's, I don't know. I know there's the SPX, stuff like that. I couldn't tell you which ones are which though. Like, I know there are minis, and then I know there are full size. I think if you're trying to do like similar to what I'm doing, you'd probably be trading minis. All right, so little battle right here at this 742 level. Bro, I'm kind of hungry, not even gonna lie. Apple heads for $460 billion wipeout with its stocks seeing worst post earnings drop in 13 years. Okay. SPY at 742, 741.96. And let's see if we can continue on, or if this is the line right now. Yeah, we got a call wall at 742. All right, so moving down, new low on the day. New low hit. See how the contract's doing, up around 43%. Yo, we're like $2 from the money. All right, trying to move somewhere. Up 56% on that. All right, so this is kind of an area of support that we're at right now. Trying to ride with the Heiken Ashies. But they got these. Oh, okay. I like that one. I like that Heiken Ashi. Okay. I was just saying, like, yo, they got these long wicks at the bottom, but that one's like, hey, we ready. Hey, put me in, coach. Like, we want some more. What's my favorite, most profitable stock to trade? It's going to be the one that we're in right now, SPY. It's the one I'm the most consistent with, honestly. Just because it always has something going every day, always gives enough. The SPY is nice. That's gonna be it. Oh, hold up. SPY trying to push up right there. I'm gonna need that to continue on. We got data in 5 minutes as well. It's like this data is either gonna accelerate us, or we gonna continue to drop even harder. Bro, the money is like switching around for this contract, jumping all around. So yeah, we're trying to get through this level. You can see all this support right here. Still trying to come down. Cameron just hopped on. Hope I didn't miss much. I'm currently in a put on the SPY, just so you know. I'm in a 740 put. Honestly, I could be getting ready to cut on out. I'm really just trying to see like what wants to happen here. But Hold up. Spy trying to push up. We still got some data in like 4 minutes. I would love to see some confirmation below this level. Let's see where but they keep moving the gamma. Oh, bro, they trying to take it back. Really trying to take it back. All right, I can't let a green trade go red, so I just sold out at 105, so it took 14% profit on that. All right, the account's up. Account is up 14% on the day, so that's I still have more to trade, but I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till I see like a better setup. Like I still got in this account, I have $102 that I can put toward another trade. But we move forward today. So if I don't see another one that just looks nice like that, hey, at least we moved it forward. But we got some data here in like 2 minutes, so we'll see. All right, here, let's see. You said, what's the difference between you said trust 2 and trust 5. What do you mean by trust? Oh, these are the SPY. I don't know why it has the full on name out there, but yeah, they're the same thing. They're just different readings on it. Like they give me different information. This one shows me momentum, and this gives me information about the trend on a higher time frame. So I can see we're still coming down. The momentum like kind of slowed down and is going sideways, but we look like we might possibly get another break and push lower. So that's what's going on here. Like I think we might get some kind of continuation, but I just had to cut out because I didn't want I couldn't sit there and let that trade go red. Let's see. A group I'm in trades XPX. How has the past days been with your trading? So yesterday was good. The day before, what was that? I guess Wednesday. Wednesday was kind of rough for me. Yeah, Wednesday was rough for me. Like I think I had some swings, which once again, why I'm not swinging. I had some swings that were kind of rough that I entered on. I think I entered on Monday, entered one Tuesday, and I took a fat loss on one on Wednesday. Was Wednesday, but made up for it yesterday. So here, let me see how this week is doing. Let me see. Oh wait, let me go to the right account. Yeah, I'm down like 15% on the week. So this week still got a little bit to do, but yeah, that's how I'm doing. Down 15% on the week. But in my challenge accounts, we've moved forward. So in the snowball, like the 500 to 71K account, hit the goal. And what is it? This account so far, yeah, we've done it. All right, so we just got the data, and I see the dollar moving up. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably I'm gonna go for another one. Where'd the account go? All right, so oh, hold on. Back to doing that wrong account stuff I said I was doing. Let me check the delta. Okay, we're trying to. Okay, we're trying to hold up. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. Oh, hold up, man. I put my order in and it jumped up like 10 cents. All right. Bro, it jumped up like 20 cents. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna have to wait. Bro, it's all right. Okay, so well, I guess I missed that one for now because it just ran out. Here, let's see. I'm not sure if I said hey, but hey, Dominique. Buy strike was no. Teach me to fish. It was the best one I could afford since I'm right here and since I'm right here monitoring the trades. It doesn't necessarily have to be where I think it's going. It's just like I usually get the closest to the trade that's in my budget that I think will like move. So I'm not sure if you saw it. I'm not sure if I sent the video, but it's not specifically based off of where I think it's gonna move to. It's more based off of like will this contract move me? Like will this contract actually be worth it? So
Want to understand options pricing?
I got this video right here on. Oh wait, that's the wrong video actually.
Want to understand options pricing?
Why is that? Hold up. So this video right here, where'd it go? That'll show you how I pick my contracts. Definitely watch that. It's a different time frame. Yes. So, bro, I'm so annoyed that contract didn't get filled. It is what it is. That just means I wasn't meant to be in that trade. All right, so we got the trend going down. Honestly, I might grab a contract in a different account. I'll start like looking around. You said, can I check Amazon? I already have Amazon on screen. Amazon is going up. It's in an uptrend. There are sellers up here, but Amazon's going up. There's not really anything I can say at the moment. There's not really any kind of moves I would make here. If you want to ride the trend, grab upside, but there is resistance over here. So there are sellers at this level that we're coming to. I think all-time highs on Amazon is around 278. There is resistance on Amazon. All right, so SPY has made it to this 740 level. This is a level where we are magneted to today, which is why I stopped trying to go for downside on the SPY. I want to see what happens here. If we lose this level, we can fall a lot more. But this area where SPY is at, right now, what the options are pricing in, this is kind of their happy level where they'd be cool with it closing for the day. So unless we get the dollar like running up like crazy or something along those lines, I'm probably like I'm leaving that one alone and I'm looking elsewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna go through, kind of look at stuff. You said, how can you see that dollar value in Robinhood? When you say that dollar value, are you talking about like this right here, the Dixie US dollar? If you're talking about this, you're not going to be able to see this in Robinhood because they don't have that. I would say the closest thing is, wait, what's it? Is it like UVXY or something? Let me see. Closest thing is going to be Nah, it's not UVXY. It's I can't. Was it maybe UUP? Yeah, UUP, but it doesn't move the same way, so it's not really a good way to see it. All right, so SPY moving down a little bit more. I'm not really sure that it's meant to go much lower now. It can, but I'm not like around here. I think it's about done, personally. So it's like I'm not gonna mess with that. Here, let's see it on the 1 hour. But it does have some ways it can fall, so it can come down, can get worse. Hi Matthew and everyone. What's the indicators that you can use? Yeah, you can use whatever indicators you like. Yeah, I think the best indicator is going to be the indicator you understand. And like it's like I can tell you things, but it's not going to help unless you like actually understand how it works. So right now I have the 13, 48, and 200 EMAs, which are just they kind of serve as like moving support and resistance. They're just averages based on previous price movement. All right, so we're below a level. Things can get kind of nasty here. Bro, that contract I was looking at, that one's almost in the money too. Yeah, that one's gone 100% too. And what was the contract I was in earlier? Bro, I'm kind of, hey, it is what it is. Bro, I got out over here. Yeah, now we're down here. Hey, just gotta operate from where we can though. Not focus on what could have been. Hey, gotta play with the cards we have in front of us. So I already took profit. I see on the 15-minute. It's kind of a low time frame, but should be some demand here. Dollar still kind of easing up. So set the stop loss. Even the trick. Hey, you know how it is with these stop loss. They be hunting these stop losses. Which video helps me stay in the trade, keep me getting? I don't know, bro. It's like I legit have hundreds of videos on the my channel. I personally like. It's like I can say stop losses on the 4 hour. Like I can show you how to do stop losses on the 4 hour, but like right now. Stop losses, I don't really think are your friend at the moment. Like the way I trade and just like the way the market is moving right now, everything's so erratic that you're going to get stopped out of every trade. I don't think stop losses are kind of it right now. So I don't think I have any good teaching. Anything I say would be good for teaching stop losses. It's like I have videos on how to actually set stop losses, like just like, oh, this is how this stop loss works, but I don't have anything like showing you where. I have videos on like, what is it? Like risk to reward, like where you should probably look to set your stop and like where they might try to move it, but on this time frame, you're still going to get stopped out of everything. All right. Hold on. One thing I'm looking at. Hold on. This is a different account, but I want. Hold on. This is not the 100 to 1K account. Let me reference that again. This is not the 100 to 1K account. Or say that again. Bro, that is not cheap. Oh, hold on. Let's flip that over. Oh, wait. Let's change the price. All right. So, yo, this is a different account, but I just grabbed a August 5th 487.50 call on AMD. I paid like $24 a share. Hold up. Let me real quick share that with the family. But yeah, it's going negative as I'm speaking. Wait, am I in the right? Oh yeah. Just grabbed AMD. What is it? What is it? 487.50. Call paid. Oh, actually, 23.80 per share is what it got filled at. Expires. Was it August? Is that 8? All right. Just wanted to share that. Okay, so we're down here at 380. Okay. All right, so we got the dollar starting to pull back. So yeah, I'll start to look for signs of us bottoming out. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Cody, you said, do I think it's too late to buy a put? So I am at the point where I am starting to look for potential calls, but also understand we're negative gamma. So yeah, I will kind of wait. It's like I played my put poorly today. But yeah, the puts I were looking at, they both kind of destroyed. They went crazy. Push. Oh yeah, please appreciate you, Osama. Yeah, hey, be sure to smash that like button. You said now it's at 180, crazy. Hey, that's what volatility will do. Hey, very welcome, Unlimited CM. Hey, Will, top of the morning, family. I appreciate you. Hopefully you rode that a little longer than me. I can't sit here with this small account and like watch a green trade go red. Hey, Spencer, top of the morning, family. No, that should be all the news today. Like unless Trump wants to come through and Trump. No, that's everything we got all the planned economic news today. Stop loss not granted when it goes 0 10. Ain't nothing wrong with paper trading. So we're still moving down. Honestly, the more we move down, the better. If for some reason if we move down to like around this 735 area, that's going to be a good area of support. and I might look to ride up again. I'm waiting until we get to like a good area of support. Honestly, I'd like to see us like move down and then cross this 13 EMA, start like moving up. But actually, looking at the 15 minute, we're also below the 200 EMA. So if we confirm here, yeah, we might just keep moving down. We'll see. You said, what's Apple's gamma exposure? That's a great question. Let's see. So Apple is kind of magneted towards the $300 level right now. So, we can probably see Apple move to 300. Like if nothing changes, if we go out, see what it's looking like on Monday. It's like a lot. Once again, kind of 300. There's like a little at 310, but it's mostly pointing to 300. And let's see. Let's go out to like Wednesday. Yeah, we got a lot pointing at 300 right now. There's a lot of gamma at this $300 level. We could probably look to leave this. Let's see Friday. Hey, Friday points back to like next Friday points to like 325, but things could shift a lot by then as well. All right, so SPY right now we're showing our first green Heiken Ashi. So you said you believe Trump speaks at 8 a.m. Pacific. I wonder what kind of Trump speech it is, because it's like I think Trump speaks like every day, but it's like how often it moves the markets is a different story. All right, so just that AMD calls up 2%, just for the record. Watching it trying to move now. All right, let me get back to the 100 to 1K account. Hold up. Hold up. I didn't even realize my order was still in. Bro, I would have ended up getting filled after it came back, and the account would have been like destroyed. That would not have been cool. I just had an order sitting there. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. Cabinet meeting? Okay. A little meeting for the cabinet. All right, let me look in at the SPY again. All right, SPY. SPY's still pointing at 740. But I want to see how low we can go. It's like I'll probably like right now I lean towards going for a move to try to get like us trying to move back to that level. Wait, hold up. But I would like to see if it can come down more first. That way the move trying to ride back to it is better or bigger. Oh no, it's already too close now. Yeah, it's already at 739. Yeah, we got AMD trying to do a little recovery. Swamfa, good morning. What is the hiking? What time frame is on the? So it's gonna be It's 2 minutes. I like to look at it on a 1 to 2. If I'm looking on Mumu, it'll be a 1. If I'm if I'm on TradingView, it'll be a 2 minute. But also, I think you might need a certain plan to be able to get on the 2 minute on TradingView. So, or maybe you need it for the 1 minute. I don't know. Would love to see 732 in the SPY. Sold 3 of my put contracts. Have one runner left. Hey, honestly, yeah. If we don't end up if we end up respecting this, hey, it's a possibility. If this dollar decides, hey, we're gonna stay above this 13 EMA or just hold at this level, we might not really see too much though. But yeah, I think we got our little move. We'll just have to see if we pick up. Like honestly, anything can happen. It's July 31st. But yeah, we do have the dollar kind of pulling back right now. Uh, 15-minute trying to get back above the 200 EMA. All right, so we're at about 740. Still negative gamma, remember that. We're still, trend is still, pointing down. You said, what's the play on AMD? So AMD, for me, that's like a kind of earnings run-up kind of play. I got that in a bigger account, but AMD, I grabbed a 487 call, 487.50 call that expires on the 5th of August. I think their earnings is on the... Hold up, is that the same day? Hold up. I thought it was on the 4th, but hold on, let me... Oh, hold on, this is wrong stock. Okay, yeah, their earnings is on the 4th. So yeah, I was trying to play earnings with that. It's I already got some nice money from AMD yesterday, but I was looking for a pullback. Honestly, we could end up pulling back to this first. All right, so question here is, are we gonna make it past this, or are we gonna continue on down, or do we just consolidate here? I mean, the dollar isn't coming down anymore, so we don't have to keep coming up. But yo, what is the move? Hold on, let me go back to the right account. All right, so up 7% on the day. Hey, so regardless, even if that's it for the day, hey, move forward this week. Just coulda. No need to focus on what it could have been, but yo, all that matters is we move forward. All right, yo, looks like we're trying to. Hey, Heiken Ashy is trying. We're stringing the greens. Usually when you're stringing them like this, it's okay, we gonna get a move up, but still would like to see us above that. We don't see that momentum. Here, let me see what the... go through and look at some other stocks. Bro, completely missed out on Google today. My goodness. I would say it's too late for that. Let's see. Yeah, we got Robinhood at $84. SPY is kind of failing to do that thing right now. Take another look at Apple. Oh, wait, hold up. Okay. Look at Apple on a 5 real quick. I think Apple might be here. Let me see what their contracts are looking like. Because while they're just consolidating here, I could see Apple being like a good, actually, hold on. Let's zoom out. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, yeah. I'm not willing to pay for that right now. Oh, hold up. Spy's trying to. Hold on. Let me go back to Spy. All right, so I grabbed a SPY 743 call, paid $84 per share. Just really just trying to ride with the trend, see what happens. I see the dollar going down, so see if we can kind of get it here. All right, peace out, Mahishu. Have a blessed weekend, and thank you very much. So just so y'all know, grabbed a SPY. I'm down on it right now, but SPY, what is it? SPY. Bro, why is my message not typing? SPY 743 call. Paid. I paid 84 cents a share. Yeah, it's below where I bought it right now. Alright, so it's in the green now. Yeah, this is my last trade on this account today. But yeah, what I like right now with this one is I see the dollar trying to come down, and we got a string of green on the Heikin-Ashi. So yeah, we'll see if we can push up. I think it'd be cool if we could get to like 742 or back up to this EMA, but we'll just see what the trend wants to do. I'm now down 2% on it. So yeah, just watching this kind of closely today. See if we can get back above the gamma flip. But yeah, what I would love most is to see this dollar just keep dropping. That would give me the most, let's say comfort. All right, so that AMD call is up 14%. Just for anyone concerned about that. All right, it's up 15% now. All right, and the SPY contract's up 9%, $8. Got the dollar dropping some more. Hike and Ashley trying to show out with some green. Oh, I'm in the red on these. I don't really like the way these are moving. Here, I want to come in here and like refresh, see what it looks like. Let me close out this app for a second. Let's get that dollar moving down. Yeah, I grabbed a SPY call. I'm currently down $1 on it. So if you look at the messages right there, like right before you hopped in, that's what I'm in. It's not really moving or anything, but yeah, that's what I'm in right now. All right, so the contract's up like 12%. SPY's at 740.99, 741. It's like I would have grabbed closer to the money, but didn't have the balance. So I was just doing it with what I could. But had I been able to grab a little closer to the money, would have been movement would be a lot better. But yeah, when you're grabbing further out, you need like a fat move. Yo, now I'm down like $3. Bro, theta is strong right now. Yeah, if we don't get like a real move. Got Apple moving down right now. Bro, why am I on SpaceX? Alright, so we got we're starting to point a little bit towards 742. Starting to point towards 742 on the SPY. On the dollar's moving down. Yeah, Amazon's up. It's that chart in the bottom left. I'm not going to. It's like if there is a trade to take on Amazon right now, I would say it's up. But I'm not going to take an upward trade on Amazon, or I'm not going to take a trade on Amazon. Just for a record, like I am watching it right now. It is right there in the bottom left corner, but I'm not taking a trade on it. It's like Amazon's a stock I buy. My trading history with it, although it is the stock that I've made, like one of the stocks I've made the most money on before. My trading history, like as of the past couple, like let's say last year, not the best with it. So it's like I do well like purchasing the stock, but not trading it. So actually no, I had a really good trade with it. I think I had like a 400% run with it, but that was a long trade. You said what's my profit target on the AMD? I only got one contract. And really with AMD, I'm just trying to ride the trend. So ideally today, I will look at it at the end of the day. I'll see like, oh, what do I think it's going to do? Like if Amazon or AMD goes crazy today, which is something, it's like I would not write out of the cards. I'll just take profit today, wherever it is. But I don't have a specific target range. It's like I'm riding momentum. So like right now there's like kind of added safety because they have earnings on Wednesday, and because they're so pulled back right now, that the contracts are going to get more expensive just because IV is going to increase, like the implied volatility. And then also, I think the stock will move higher as well. So because of that, like say I hold until Monday and say AMD pulls back a little bit, I think the contracts will still be the same price. So my downside is limited, whereas if it moves up, I think it's kind of a better move. So that's why I got the AMD, and I don't fully know what my target is. It's like I would like to think AMD could, bro. I think like it's possible for AMD to run to all-time highs before it has earnings, but I'm just here to capture the move. I don't fully know where it's gonna go. It topped out at 515 today. I would not be surprised to see us higher than that by the end of the day, but I don't know. But yeah, I bought that contract at the money, so my risk is a little different. I think the contracts will hold up well regardless, and that's kind of what's going on. But I only have only one of those contracts, because those contracts were like $2,400. All right, so we got the SPY pushing up. Here, let's see. And we still got the dollar dropping. All right, so up 16% on that contract. So that's a good pickup for AMD. I missed it. Hey, no worries, no worries. That's like, honestly, it's like I wouldn't go for the same strike, but that's like I would still pick up AMD right now. I just saw it like kind of chilling there, like it looked like it slowed down. I was like, oh, that might be as far as it pulls back. But yeah, I think it moved like $9 or $10 since I bought it. Maybe not even. I don't know, but I just I think there's a lot of movement that can be had. And it's like AMD was just something I was like, oh yeah, I want to be a part of that. All right, so the SPY call is up 17%, $15. All right, so we're coming to an area of resistance on the SPY. You see like the little 48 on the 2-minute. But it's like, yo, we can still go. We've been on the 15, we've been coming to like the 13 EMA, so we can keep moving. See if these Heiken Ashies keep going, and also if the dollar keeps falling. We got the dollar at this 13 or 48 EMA right here. You said, which stock did I buy? So 11 minutes ago, I bought a SPY 743 call, and it was a 0 DTE. I paid 84 cents a share. But it's already up 21%, and it's close to where I was looking to cut out for profit. All right, so the account's up 17% on the day. Yeah, where'd that contract go? Oh dang, it just pulled back. Hold up. Oh no, okay, it's up 20%. I forgot we didn't pay as much for that contract. All right, we still got the dollar. Dollar's still moving down, so that's cool. Oh, but I did also buy AMD, but the AMD was there's a different. The AMD was like $2,400. All right, still pulling back on this dollar. Oh, okay. See a little red in the Heiken Ashley, but I'm also leaning on this dollar right now. Still above this 13 EMA, so see what we do here. Oh, it's like 942. Bro, I'm break even on that contract again. I don't like the way this contract is moving. It's like we've gotten like good movement since I bought. I think I bought it like, or actually no, it's not like not like the craziest movement, but theta is not our friend. You said are you talking about Apple, Henry? If you're talking about Apple, the magnet on Apple today is 300. Apple looks like it is very like I would consider this like the low. That's probably the furthest of a move you're gonna get today on Apple. I would say. I would not think Apple is worth it today if you're trying to go for a day trade or anything. I think it's gonna be sideways, pretty sideways. If you can time it right, I think they're like you might be able to catch a move down. Like you might be able to like snipe it, but I would say you need to like time it. I feel like it's going to be tough to do that today with Apple. So I got Apple over here, but that's probably the last one I would trade out of everything on the screen. All right, SPY trying to move up again, up 23%, 26% on it. You said, would I do an Apple call for next week? Here, let's see. All right, so trend on Apple just confirmed down. So the trend, ideally you trade with the trend. I would say I would consider it like if for some reason I saw Apple at this 293 area, maybe as low as 297, but from here I personally would not because the trend is down. But I mean, if you look at something like the RSI, if you were just looking at that on the 4 hour, it is oversold. So depending on what you lean towards to kind of make your trades, it's like you could, but I wouldn't because it's like I don't trade just off RSI, but I would say like historically, I think I like RSI on a higher time frame, but 4 hours still a good time frame too. Historically, when you buy it like below like I guess below 30, you can sometimes ride the RSI up to like 50 or to like 70, just depending on how far it wants to run. All right, still got that dollar drop in. Spy's trying. I'm up like 21% on it. Let me. Okay, yeah, Spy trying to move, trying to move. All right, yo, it might be trying to go positive now. All right, so up 34% on the contract now. All right, so this one's like a little grinder. Okay, so Spy's at okay. We're about a dollar from the money now, up 42% on the contract. Let's go. All right, let's see. All right, I'm gonna go in and cut out right there. Oh, oh. Maybe not. Maybe not. It's like every time I try to put in an order, I try to take profit, and then as soon as I do, the price jump down like 10 cents. Okay. All right, we still got the. All right, so I got an order put in. I think we'll still continue to move up a little bit higher. I still see the dollar dropping. I got my order put in. I'm not going to change it. But it's wild that as soon as I like try to sell at the asking price or at the bid price, bro, price dropped like 10 cents like right then. I was like, come on now. But yeah, like right now, it looks like I'll get filled on my order just like looking at the dollar and whatnot. Like we could like just we could start running up. But yeah, that's wow, they just drop it like that whenever I put my order in. I'll let y'all know when I get filled, but know that I put my order in. Y'all can do with that what y'all want. Bro, come on, Spy. This is why I put my order in before I think it's done moving. Oh yeah, we about to. Okay, I got nope. Almost got filled. All right, I should be filled now. Okay, I got filled. All right, so I got filled at 119 per share. Those contracts are up more now, but we out of there. Out of there. All right, so took 41% profit on that, and now the account's up 25% on the day. That's chill. That's chill. The order was for 119 a share, but hey, chill. All right, so that's it for that account. Um, yeah, 48 or yeah 48.80 on the account. Let me do a quick recap with y'all. Let me show y'all real quick. Hold on, let me pull it up. All right, so it's still moving up, y'all. It's on its way to. Well, actually, we got this. This is around the area I was looking to cut out. We got these EMAs here. I was like, nah, I'm not trying to ride past that. Where? Oh, hold up 1 second. Alex, appreciate you, family. I don't know what the glitch is. Got a little glitch. Okay. All right. So this is the account for today. All right. So we started with 193.70. First trade, yeah, we went up to like 233.66. Then we like quickly came back, and then after we quickly came back, that contract ended up running a lot more. But then took second contract, yo, 242. So, or I guess if you include this week and last week, I think last week we started at 134. So I think this is the third week. So from 100 to we're up 142. And then in this whole account, this is the second time we ran the challenge. Only taking one L trading in this account in all time. This account is up $1,500.17. All right. Hold up. Cheaty, you said did I go far out of the? Nah, I grabbed something in the money. Like I spent money on that AMD. Here, I'll show you the AMD contract I got in a second. Here, 1 second. Let me go to the account. Oh, hold on, let me also at least show y'all charts while I'm doing it. Where's the account? Oh, I think it's over here. Appreciate you, VN8012. Here, let's see. Alright, so here's the this is the AMD I got. AMD 48750 call. Up 12% on it. Just one contract. Break even is 511.30. Like, I would not be surprised if we're above that by the end of the day, but also no promises. But because they have earnings on Tuesday, I think they should hold up all right. Like, so if they run up nice and big today, I'm probably locking those profits in today. But I'm not watching it like too closely. Booted up. Hey, what's up, family? Victor. Okay, Victor. Okay. VN Victor. All right, Victor. We might need to go over that again next week, but right now I got you locked in as Victor. VN Victor. In Victor. Hey, look at that. The SPY's still going though. Still going. Trying to go for the 200 EMA. That contract's probably worth a lot more now. Let's see. Probably almost 200. Let's see. So yeah, it's like a lot of people ask me why I trade. It's like, yo, the SPY pays money. Okay, so the SPY's that contract's at 143 right now. SS for Sir Swain. Yo, I got a mattress yesterday. Like I'm not sure what we're gonna do with it yet. But yeah, I got a what is it? I got a California King mattress yesterday, so let me know. Like right after I bought a queen size mattress. Lavenderella, very welcome. Oh, also, yo, and while y'all are here, if y'all took any W's today, hey, please smash that like button. I think that's a fair exchange, or any W's related to what I did. Shalmont, will I be streaming on Freedom Charts? So we are going to discuss that. I'm going to do it as best as I can. Like, I think I can stream. Ultimately, it's going to depend on the Wi-Fi situation and also the scheduling. So I'm not the one running. What is it? I'm not the one kind of in charge of the itinerary. I was like, yo, y'all, I'll let y'all do y'all's thing. I'm going with my wife and a couple friends, but they're all like females. So I don't know. It's like it's a weird mix. We got like some that like to just like one that likes to just take naps all the time, and then the other one like super active. So I would think with the one that likes to take naps all the time being mixed in there, I'll have some downtime. Like the timing might be a little off. I'm not fully sure. Yeah, but if I have that time in the morning, I'll try to do it start of the day. All right, let's see. You said SPY going down. Right now the dollar is dropping, so I wouldn't trust it coming down right now. I'll say that. I would think right now with the strength of this dollar, we can continue to move up. Like I would say until we if you're trying to trade SPY to the downside, if you don't see this Heiken Ashi come below this 13 EMA, If you want to like hop in beforehand, it's okay to hop in beforehand, but like watch it. Like watch it and know where, hey, I'm going to get out at this level. Because it's more likely the trade moves up at that point. But oh, you said I forgot to take the chair. Yeah, I was thinking that. Like I had like some people come by to like pressure wash the windows. Some like young hustler. I'm probably gonna put like I like interviewed this boy on my one of these boys who came to wash my windows because they're hustling. I'm like, yo, I need to put them on the channel. I'm like, yo, that's kind of inspiring. They just moved out here from Florida. Their first week, just started the business, and like just week one, like they're just going door to door. First week, they hadn't even been here a full week when they were pressure washing my windows, bro. I already made $6,000 just going door to door pressure washing, setting things up. So I was like, yo, let me put this man on my channel. Like a lot of people talking about how hard it is, how it's like, oh, there's no way you can do that, bro. If you want to put in the work, bro, the opportunity is there. Just find a need, get it done. Any thoughts on Microsoft continuing to go up or down? I feel like Microsoft had ran like Microsoft is probably the least, like probably one I'm like least knowledgeable on. It looks like it can go up. It's like next area I'd look for it to like pull back would be about 742. I would say it could continue to go up. I don't know about today, but it could. So like right now it looks like we set some liquidity, and right now we're sweeping it. So we would want to see like strength above that. So like just looking, I probably want to like it'd be nice to see it at least hit 745 before I like try to like go up, but anything could happen with it. Major W today on SPY, puts early made up for my loss. Hey, good stuff. Hey, good stuff. Darren Skirvin. D-Skirv. Alright, first time dropping in on the live. Deshaun, hey, good stuff. Hey, good stuff. 45 profit. Good stuff. Hey, appreciate you. Yeah, Google went up nice today. Completely ignored that. Like I saw it a moment ago. I was like, oh, yeah, completely missed out on this one. But Google, we might have a good short here on Google though. So range on Google right now is from this 354 down to about 314. Also up here at the 200 on the 4 hour. This might be a good swing. Hold up. Yeah, the trend is still currently down on Google. RSI is overbought or almost overbought. Yo, hold up. Hey, I might go textbook for this. Hold up. Let's see. I think this might be a good swing for Freedom Charge here. Let's see. Google. See what the options are. And we're like pretty much right there too. Wait, where'd it go? Yeah, we're like pretty much at that level. Actually, we might have actually hit it. Let's see. Yeah, I think we hit it. So today is the 34th. So I'd be looking at like the 14th. Puts. Let's see. Oh, Spreads are kind of here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna get myself the proper time and. Oh, hold up! I'm in the wrong account. I keep doing that. I'm in the 100 to 1K. Cannot do that. Google. Bro, where we at? Oh, okay. Look at the 14th. All right. Share that with the family real quick. Yeah, I just grabbed the put on Google. Yeah, I got like 2 weeks on that. Okay. This is the first one I felt comfortable with. I guess probably grabbed that about right there. Yeah, I'm not gonna watch this too closely though. Ooh, hold up. Oh yeah, there's some money on that. Just grabbed Google. What is it? What I grab? What is it trading at? $350. $350 puts expiring August 14th. Paid. What did I just pay for those? Oh, also want to let y'all know we got the dollar moving back up. But I paid, it was a weird number. Paid $7.56 per share. I actually really like the setup on this. It's chilling in the supply zone. RSI is pretty much overbought. And it looks like it may have just barely swept liquidity. All right. Yeah, that's the first trade like that I've taken in a while. So that one might take some time to actually act on, but hey, like that. All right, let's see. Okay. Get money. Hey, good stuff. All right. Cool. Oop, hold up. I don't know where this little bug came from. I don't even know what this is. Dead now. All right. So yeah, see the dollar showing a little green right now. Hey, I think I'm already up on that Google a little bit. Let me see. Let's see, where's Google? I'm not even expecting anything like soon. Oh, there it is. Yeah, because Google's already kind of moved a little bit. Here, I'm gonna set an alert for about like 7 or 340 on Google. It's like I think Google can move down here. Can if it's going to continue its trend, but I think a safe area is going to be like 340. So just like say we open up on Monday and it's at 340. Shoot, I have absolutely no problem collecting profits on it. I don't need to ride it all the way. But also, if it has that velocity and it's just moving and it wants to go to 325, shoot, I'll take that too. But also, yeah, I'll probably no. I'm not trying to just like sit in these trades, cause yeah, next week I'm gonna be traveling too, so it'll probably mostly be trades that I actually get time on properly, like this Google trade. Like AMD, I'll probably like cut out of that just wherever it ends up being, cause just I'm not trying to be down to the wire with things. All right, the dollar's still trying to move down though. Still trying to move down. But yeah, it has been a nice day for Google. These Fridays are bangers, especially after long weeks. I appreciate that, Alex. Hey, yeah, enjoy your weekend, family. I'm looking to do the same. Looking to do the same. So yeah, stay blessed. Have a great weekend, and be safe. Once again, last day of July. Hey, make it count. This is the last July 31st, 2026 you'll ever experience. Hey, it's definitely something to be said about that. All right, so we got the SPY coming back down. Hey, that Google's up like 7%. All right, so we got about hey family. Hey, I'm a ask again, cause I see we're close, and I think we can do it, family. Yo, I see. Hey, we got 91 people on stream. 94. And we got 88 likes. I have reason to believe that we can get to 100 likes. I think we can do it, family. Yo, hit those triple digits. Grow the family. For those of y'all that don't know, there is just below the video, if you scroll down just a little bit, there's an icon, right? It's shaped like a thumb. If you don't know what a thumb looks like, hey, look on the screen, bottom left corner. That's a thumb. All right. Yeah, there's an icon shaped like that. And I don't know what color it is, but that's going to be referred or it's going to be referred to as the like button. All right. If you click on that, you probably see a little animation, you'll see a little dance, whatever. Interact with it. It'll you'll usually see some kind of interaction, at the least a change in color, and it'll really help the channel out. So those of you who do that, thank you. Smash the like button, do what you gotta do. But let's see. All right, Ken said this is the freedom chart strategy. Hey, that's what we do. This is how we trade in there. I'm trying to like right now pick apart like how I've been trading, because what I've noticed is ever since PDT, ever since they lifted PDT, it's like, oh yeah, run it up. There have been days where taking like losses, like whenever it's like, oh, we're just running the other way, but also I've seen what happens when we're just like running the other way, and it's like, okay, I was wrong about the initial direction, and I just kind of didn't like ride and go for it. But yeah, I'm trying to like figure out exactly what I'm doing, like everything I'm using, and I'm trying to ignore the stuff I'm not, so I can like teach it a little better and like have like a framework. And like once I figure out all the elements that I think are like most important, get something like, I don't know, standardized so we can like package it so you can like learn this. Well, I feel like the ones who are on stream every day already kind of have it down, but I would like to just make videos to have people know too. All right, let's see. Dang, we're like three likes away. Okay, here, let's see. Coming to check y'all out. Appreciate it. You said here comes Google. Oh yeah, that's in the money now. Hey, up 18.78% on those Googles. Hey, shout out to Kevin, bro. Kevin got me looking at Google. Hey, show me, yo, it's in this nice supply zone right here at the 200 moving average. Yo, hey, two more likes, bro. Oh shoot, hey, one more. You said the SPY selling off. It looks like it could be about to. You got the 13 EMA about to cross over. Here, let me look at the gamma exposure, see where that's pointing. Honestly, it's pointing at 742 right now. From the 741 to 742 range. So right now, like let's say like 71 is a happy, or 741 is a happy medium. Like yeah, right now it is pretty much at that gamma flip line where it can go to the up or downside. So ask, hey, appreciate you. Hey, so we did it. But you said, what is your Google Play? It's right here. 350 Google put. So this is a swing. This isn't a day trade. This is a different account. But it is a Google 350 put that expires on the 14th, so in 2 weeks. Am I going to be in a trade that long? Hopefully not, but that's a time frame that makes me comfortable and feel like I don't need to watch this too closely before I hit the target. Well, actually, like full target is probably down here around 325. I don't know for sure it'll do that. Also, some stuff around here at this 331 level, but I feel pretty good about it hitting this 340 level. All right, okay, we got the dollar dropping some more. Maybe SPY's not done. Maybe it will try to push up. Oh yeah, the gamma just flipped. So now, yo, it's 743 and 742. Yo, it can keep fighting. Like if you see this dollar keep dropping, like it'll try to push up. But yeah, that happy medium is right between 742 and 743 right now. But yeah, thank y'all, family. We did it. We hit the 100. Actually hit 102. And y'all were really balling out today, family. WV Les 712. Hey, good morning. Hey, just so you know, the stream is about to end in like 14 minutes, but yo, appreciate you saying good morning. just don't wanna have you here, um, using your time if you thought there was still a trade. Just so you know, probably not taking any more trades, but definitely appreciate you being here. Timothy, you out? You out of here? Hey, have a blessed weekend, family. Bro, my stomach's growling. I'll probably have to go get some food with my wife after this. Bro, Apple. Oh, Apple trying to move up. Hold up. Let me see if things are changing. Let's see. Apple trying to move up right. Hold on, it's not even trying to load the gamma exposure right now. Okay. Now it's saying we got a wall at 305. Yeah, I think as things happen like the dollar fall and whatnot, we kind of hold up. Here, let me look at AMD while I'm here. Okay. Here, I'm gonna set an alert like right here on AMD. It's about $500. Lavenderella. Yo, have a great weekend. Hey, good night from Singapore. Okay, that's what's up. Hey, y'all got a strong dollar out there. Okay. Hey, that's what's up. Yo, have a blessed what is it? Have a blessed day. Didn't even know you were from Singapore. It's dope. Or in Singapore. NVIDIA looking to get a lift from Amazon.com, which offered a reminder of how important NVIDIA's processors continue to be in the artificial intelligence boom. Here, I'm curious. What is NVIDIA looking like right now? Bro, I'm kind of hungry. Oh, I already said that. Y'all tell I'm getting hungry? All right, so okay, NVIDIA did go hit that 200, like right at open. That's just for the people that were here or like here earlier in the week. That was a level that I was like talking about, thinking that NVIDIA could hit, but I'm not sure I would have had time to get out of that. Oh, we got a little green on Meta today. That's cool. Hmm. Palantir at 120. AMD trying to pull back a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, we got SPY pulling down. look at y'all. Y'all pushed it all the way up to 106. Y'all got them popping and got the likes popping. All right, so yo, the spy. This might be the first kind of confirmation candle on the 2 minute. You might. Hold on, let me see what the range is looking like on the spy real quick. All right, so we're below the gamma flip once again. Honestly, what 740 looks like it's on the play now. I don't know. It's all over the place. They're moving these options a lot. Dang, I got this water sitting here. I have not drank a bit. Let me hydrate. I'll be right back. I'm gonna wash my hand real quick. Ooh. Oh shoot, that camera follow me? Okay. Alright, we back. Go back to looking at the list. Alright, so spy at 741. So yeah, live look at the change in the trend on the Heiken Ashi. Look at that. Got the EMAs crossed to the downside now, and now we are stringing red candles. See how far we go. I'll also see what happens with the dollar. That starts running up. We'll go down harder. Also notice on the 15-minute, we started off like we pushed up. We sold off 13 EMA crossed over to the downside. We came back, tested the EMA, and now we're moving down. So the whole day on the SPY on the 15-minute, we've been moving down. So this is why I look at two different time frames. So it's like I can see the overall structure of what's going on the day, but also I can also see the changes within that. So on this time frame, you can see, oh, we had this big sell-off, and then oh, we changed here. But also, if you look at it like this, it's like, hey, the whole time today we've been going down. So that's part of why I have the that's why I have the different time frames on here. Is you can see different things. It's like I can be like, oh, this is what's happening on the day, but if I want to hop in for something quick, I can do that. All right, brand new. Appreciate you, family. Hey, you have a blessed weekend too. Doubled up on the puss and made 15. Hey, good stuff, family. Hey, way to get to the money. Hope you have a blessed weekend, and thank you for coming through. Also appreciate the support on the videos too. Be seeing the name. So thank you. Do I offer a course? Not well. Actually, yeah, I got a free one. Like I think here. Let me see. All right, so it's actually right here. Oh no, not right here. So it's my website. If you go to start here, this like these 10 videos, I say you watch these. Here, let me just yes, send that to the group. Paste that link in there. If you watch those, I would say that's enough to make you dangerous trading. So this shows you how to like chart and how to.
In this video, I'm going to show you everything.
Like how to set up your charts, how to set up the tools, like how to analyze a trend, all that. And then you can kind of go on here, like shows you how to swing trade. Then we get into like kind of the option stuff. You can also watch it on YouTube. It's still a playlist on YouTube, but yeah, got all the resources that I would say are needed. Like it's free. You don't have to buy anything. Like should you look to buy something? I have Freedom Charts, which is pretty much live trading with me every day. But also this upcoming week I will be traveling. Monday and Tuesday will be regular days, but I don't know how this next week is gonna look yet. Alright, so pulling back on the SPY, we're back to 740. Alright, back to this 740 level. Okay. Dollar's kind of flat here, not really doing much. Hey, update on the Google, it's up 23%. I am probably down or break even on my AMD. Let me see. Let me check. Okay, I'm down like 4% on AMD. That's down 4.83. I'm down $115 on AMD. Hey, very welcome. Reclaiming your energy. How much do you like? How much do you need? Really depends on what you're trying to do. Like if you're trying to learn and stuff, I'm doing this like $100 to $1,000 challenge like for that purpose, to show people you don't need big money, and if you're willing to take small consistent trades, that you can it'll make a difference. Like if you, another thing I would encourage you to watch is like if you come to my channel and if you click on playlists, I got this playlist right here. Oh wait, hold, that's the wrong one. I got this playlist right here of like what we're doing on Friday, what we're doing right now. We just did it like right before this. Hold on, actually let me go back. We just did it, and like over a span of 9 weeks, we turned $100 into like $1,300. And we noticed these, like after you get to a certain point, if you're taking these same kind of trades, it gets like the amount you're making for the trade gets a lot larger. So it's like if you can get the hang of it with like $100 and just kind of follow through with it, yeah, your trades get a lot bigger. Cause it's like I think we closed the final week out with like 9 something, but the last week we made like almost $500 or $400. This week we made like $200 to $300, like going from 1 week to the next. So it's like after you hit a certain level, you'll like even a small trade will yield a certain amount. You said, how do you join the challenge? I mean, this what we're doing on stream is this is the challenge. That playlist is actually the playlist is actually the challenge. And then I also have another one. Like this is the 100 to 1,000. But there's one I'm doing right now. This is the snowball challenge. It's a little bit more, but it also takes it's over a longer span of time. So if we look at it, started here. I need to change the order because it's starting backwards, but. But yeah, if you look at it, this was me explaining it. This is the first one, and we even have some resources for it. And essentially, you start with $500, and then 10% of that's 50. You start the next week with that. 10% of that's 55. You start with that. 10% of that's 60. If you do that for a year, 10% of it ends up being like 6,500. So, yeah. With that being said, family, appreciate each and every one of y'all for coming through. Have a blessed weekend. But yeah, hopefully, I don't know what's gonna happen next week. I don't know. I'll have to update y'all. But yeah, with that being said, appreciate each and every one of y'all coming through. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Ken. Peace out, Reclaiming Your Energy. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Brand New. Peace out, Lavenderella. Peace out, Rita, just. Peace out, Sir Swain. Peace out, Cheaty. Peace out, Tech Override. Peace out, Alex. Yo. Peace out, Henry. Peace out, Buddha. Peace out, Victor. Yeah. Peace out, Ahmed. Peace out, Monica. Yeah, but yeah. With that being said, should I miss your names? Not because I don't love you. It's just because we're rolling out. But yeah. With that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. Yes, be blessed. Be blessed.